Koroko supporter, you assume that team.
But
coach,
I said back on me. The boss is there will be a change.
There will be a change. Kotoko.
Some department will be changed.
Okay. Mate.
The one voting Ekeka.
Coach Dr. Narteh Ogum. Mr. Tini say Jas Wadeno. Coach Jas Wadeno. Na ensema onim panimfo hia omo kache wodem no fire adwuma. Na jai say unama okikache onamfofo say IMC chairman aganget yawo. Coach Dr. Narteh Ogum.
Is it the nam for nom and answer the nam for?
Ne nam for nom. Ne nam for nom.
So qualified
teacher. Okikache omo say IMC chairman esisem kofo ati se omo nkuntiawo ede na penka ene ni IMC no omo kutiawo ombenya ede na omo kutiawo a ombenya. You had a meeting with them on Thursday Koroko game Sunday. You have a meeting with them meeting no na oho coach Akwesi Apia oho lawyer Safuduku Koroko lawyer Koroko communications director oho Richard Akotoya administrative manager oho. You had a meeting and Penifoni Katia will say players be more team ni ma omo bre mo monye omo home na specifically member player ni din Samuel Tenedu mane mo ball ba coach ukodi nkomo sansem we kware wa Canada yate say Tenedu o ba no one for so inti nyaade abma player na bobo enra kodoko support bia no wo baba na sports stadium bia we game ni bia say Tenedu ba no obey game changer
Kwame me per se refrain here from AJB
ni tie pa
so what da
mate
say and I say yes say coach na ko kana we be say Tenedu onye on na je na buy nto mo na mo bi I want it to be like that.
Okay.
Dan say obeka say
okay
what say
okay let it be like that.
So I want you to withdraw first one.
Okay, my withdraw that statement no.
Sir official statement now kai say what say coach no emphasis what say coach no.
Mate.
Oh Ghana ha.
Thanks for the correction senior.
Ghana ha. 95% of some bia at bia na obi aka bia no correct.
Sure.
And I can't back on. How to prove it?
Prove it.
Because they were catching on one, and I'm so on your bear man in see. Obeka so anka.
Wanka. Obe you know who free.
And the oh yes, I didn't. And I'm so on your bear man, so on so because on ye.
Okay.
And now the burden of proof no. But also.
Okay.
So me say they all can.
My retract
no.
Sure.
And then go back to the alleged now.
It is alleged. Say, coach ni say player no nyona de buy. Inti ono de on kind of plans ho ba enu akoroko supporter bia no war stadium ho ehun say Samuel Tenedu bae no ni few minutes obedi o game mu no ena boama akro bia sale konya penalty ni impact ena boama konya draw enka enu akoroko lusu ye enu ya bo first 45 minutes ni we no Justice Blay he was totally off. Justice Blay was totally off. And why do you still keep him? Na pressure na bakorokoso, no bakorokoso. Coach Dr. Narteh Ogum, coach Jaswadeno. Jaswadeno. And perifona mutia okano. So muka semtewa. Coach Dr. Narteh Ogum. Eyatie. Utia ebe boaw na boa kotoko. And then aka 8 matches. Enra nyame amfafie ana koroko lusu game na etima ye fe no ebe bia ni Gold Stars na omo nso omo abe overtake kotoko. And I no ka say points ni ye pe 47. Efa yi dia ma omo dia banso no ba bia ni Gold Stars e 3 points e se baabi. All because omo ni nsu atre e match. How to folk onu so na league na obeje onu so 3 points e se baabi. Enti coach Jaswadeno na de empanimfo se ye no ye na emwa team no ana me de me say ana dabi ye coach team sa enti jaswode no na de mpanifo se ye no ye enu akoroko supporter bia no wo stadium bia ehun se somewhat na Dubai no obesisa game ni makotoko. Enti why are you doing that to the boy? Coach Prosper Dr. Ogum, why are you doing that to someone Tenedu? It started ewo boase yesi supporters be placards ne banner ba ye pele ye mani mo boss someone Tenedu ye koi eko busai coach won sem post match coach nsem o ka che no say on the team no enye so build around one team and now one player into on the ono na coach a o decide someone Tenedu enwa he cried on the field. Koko supporter biabe kaya against I think Lagos City was saying player ni share goal no on Rory Jesse. I forgot against team crowd no boy. Holy Stars. Or share goal is on Rory Jesse. The player was crying because enra player ni dag out to nyina player ni sugrim say boy dear. So why are you doing that to the boy? U players na de on ba no ene omo ba omo abo yehu ene manfa give the player chance to do something to showcase something for Kotoko. Mimini ha se mbeka player bi asema ba no but what I saw ene de matete no ena me gina so amde coming sem enti coach Dr. Prosper Ogum uno technical team no you should sit up coach and penifo ka sem chewa bie wasum na tie de me waka eno no senior
Kwame well, una uko fast, I'm not buying.